Today we'd like to give you a brief introduction to the Horizon AFV-566 series folders. This is the 5th generation of automated folders from Horizon and Standard. The AFV-566 is the most automated folder in its class, capable of handling a sheet size from 22 to 35.4 and a pile stack load capacity of over 27 inches. The system is automated in all phases of operation, from the setup table, register table, fold plates, roller gap setting, all automated, and all adjustments are able to be made on the fly. This brief demonstration will include a changeover between 3 different jobs that normally would take anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours to do a setup on a typical non-automated folder. And what's very important in the Horizon system is because the operator interface is so simple, the automation is actually used. All that the operator is required to do for your basic setup is to put in sheet size and calibrate a single sheet of paper. From there, the system takes over the rest. And there are many jobs stored into memory for standard fold patterns in the system. As you can see, we've been running 8-page signatures with excellent registration. And now what we'd like to do is demonstrate changing over to 2 applications that have been stored in memory, one being a direct mail piece and the other being a pocket map. Following that, we'll change over to 8.5 by 11 down to a French fold, utilizing direct input without pulling the job from memory.